In a world that moves too fast, nature offers what the city cannot: space, stillness, and the gift of true privacy. For those who seek peace without compromise, the journey leads here. This is 15000 Tyler Road. Perched atop nearly 75 acres in the Sierra foothills, this California contemporary estate combines modern architecture with timeless beauty. The grand foyer makes an unforgettable first impression, with soaring ceilings, elegant columns, and rich hardwood floors. Stained glass accents and a solid wood entry door set a tone of timeless craftsmanship. The living and dining rooms are filled with natural light, framed by vaulted beam ceilings and elegant chandeliers. Expansive glass doors open to sweeping views of the Sierra foothills, seamlessly blending indoor comfort with the beauty of the outdoors. The heart of the home is a chef's kitchen, featuring rich wood cabinetry, a statement stone hood, and a professional-grade range framed by artisan tile work. A large granite island with seating invites both casual gatherings and culinary creativity. Upstairs, 2 ensuite bedrooms and a private office provide comfort and seclusion, each space designed with both elegance and functionality in mind. Downstairs, 2 additional guest bedrooms share a beautifully appointed bath, while a dedicated wine cellar offers the perfect setting for storing and showcasing your collection. Private 1-bedroom guest casita, complete with kitchenette and full bath, is ideal for hosting family, short-term rental, or event accommodations, offering flexibility as remarkable as the estate itself. 5 acres of planted varietals, Barbera, Petit Syrah, Sangiovese, Vermentino, and Malbec, surround a turnkey winery and tasting facility. Spanning 2,400 square feet, with a crush pad, refrigeration, and ADA accessibility, it is a space crafted for both production and celebration. From vineyard-framed event spaces and serene patios to a sparkling pond, this property is designed for gatherings as memorable as its views. Ride horseback, explore on ATVs, hike winding trails, or watch the sun set over Shenandoah Valley. Every day is an invitation to explore. A home, a retreat, a working winery. This magnificent estate is all of these and more. For those who dream of privacy, beauty, and a lifestyle without limits, this is California living at its finest.